What up, people? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I'm Rob, and this is Straight Bearded. Today in Straight Bearded, we're going to be talking about beard product reviews. I've got a product that's coming right out of North Carolina, my home state, not far from me whatsoever. Great company, great owner. Today, we're going to be talking about Ruddy Man. Stick around. All right, so let's get cranking. But before we do, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button on the video if you like it. And if you want to blow my mind, go ahead and mash that notification bell. That way you're going to be able to see whatever I've got coming up before anybody else, if that's what you're really after. Anyhow, today what we're going to be doing is talking about some products from a company by the name of Ruddy Man Beard Company. Ruddy Man Beard Company is run and operated by a gentleman by the name of Jimmy Atkins, right out of my home state, right here in good old North Carolina. And country boys always winning. So Jimmy's got a lot of things going on. Not just a beard company, a successful beard company. Not just a successful beard company. By day, he's a worship pastor. He's in a band. He's a guitarist in a band, and the band's name is Rooted. Side note, search in Instagram for Band Rooted. Follow them and see if you can catch some of their music. It's really, really nice. Jimmy's really, really active in the bearded community. He loves it, and it shows. He's got a lot of things going on. So his website, I'd like to talk about just a little bit first. I'll have it down in the description, but his website is www.ruddymanbeard.com. He's got a lot of things going on that website. A couple things that I really, really like is he's got, not only does he have a how-to section on how to use his beard products, he's got a section for where he's selling products for dogs, pets. That website's also giving you a place where you can choose your beard style, your beard length, and by your beard length that matches closest to what you have. If you choose that, it'll take you to a page that has things and products that are more suited to you and what you need. I think that's really, really smart. The website's very, very smartly designed, and it's a pleasure to navigate around. But anyhow, I'd like to go ahead and get into some of the products that Jimmy had sent me for review. So Jimmy sent me 4 oils, and I've got a couple of cheat sheets here because the writing is real small and my eyes are terrible. So please forgive this time using a cheat sheet. I'll try to keep it to a minimum. But Jimmy sent me 4 oils to review. But even before we get into that, I love his red beard logo. I love the font on his logo. I think that's really, really awesome. So really good job, really clean job, like an old school type font on that. I'm digging it. So right off the bat, I want to start with one of my favorites out of the 4 oils that were sent to me. This one's Bomb House Blend. So let me see if I can find that. So Bomb House Blend is an apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. Let me hit that one time. Let me get a little bit on my fingers. So this is a very, very thin oil. Not very thin, just light. Apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. So I was expecting an apple pie. I didn't get apple pie. I'm getting like a spiced cider. Like a spiced apple cider that you used to get cold days, or I used to get cold days. I had to get up with my mom and ask her what was that stuff that she used to give us when it got cold, and she let me know it was spiced cider, and it was served to us warm, and that is really, really, really good. Also, I hadn't put this in beard. I've already got something in beard right now. I hadn't put this in beard, and I put about 4 drops in my hands, so you can see I'm very, very limited on shine and residue. And if I were to wipe this on my skin, this stuff is gone. So we don't have any residual residue, and everybody that knows me right now knows that I don't like greasy residue. I don't like any extra things that I have to wash off. This doesn't have that. So for that, I'm truly appreciative. Now I want to make sure that I've got the top on this bottle. But Bomb House Blend, this is a really, really good one. It makes you want to eat your beard. So the next one I want to talk about is right up my alley for the way that I love sharp scents. But with this one, Dapper Fox, let me read you what's in there. So Dapper Fox is a wild spruce, tea tree, peppermint, and lavender blend. I love how he's got the fox there on the logo. Really, really cool. But this is right up my alley with sharp scents. Let me hit that one time. With this one, it's sharp. It's almost like I've found the tip of the spear of sharp scents. This one is sharp. It does not. It's a really, really cool and refreshing, minty. Leaves a great feeling in my beard. Let me grab some while I'm talking to you about it. Leaves a great feeling in my beard. Nice and cool. But it doesn't. It's got the shock of like a Vicks. How Vicks would shock you. Milder than that. Doesn't smell like Vicks, but it's got that sharp pop, and I like that. I really do like that. So if you're looking for something that's crisp and cool, Dapper Fox, that's probably going to be for you. I'm digging that one. I've wore that one 4 times already. All of these oils, I think it's safe to mention that all of these oils that I get, now working with the oils only, I didn't get any bombs with this. So, and I know bombs can help scent duration, but all of these oils are in the neighborhood of 2 to 4 hours duration. Not a problem for me. If I'm using just an oil, I'll just bring it with me and just to freshen it up, because I love to smell it in my own beard. And once I lose it, I want to kind of freshen it up. I know bombs have a tendency to make things last a little longer. So when you're doing an oil and balm review, it kind of helps you to cheat a little bit, because you can say you're getting 8, 10, 12, 14, but you're using oil and balm. But just this oil, I got 2 to 4, and that's not bad out of an oil for me. The next one I want to go over is Shipwreck. We'll grab my cheat sheet for this one too, because I can never remember this one. Shipwreck is a coconut, lime, and Shipwreck is a coconut, lime, and sandalwood. This one is very, very nice. Gotta hit it. All right, so the very first thing I get out of this, it's a beach vacation coconut, a little bit of that citrus in the background, and this one really, really opens up in beard. A lot of these scents, actually all of these scents except for Dapper Fox, are rather mild out of the bottle. Dapper Fox is a little bit sharper out of the bottle, but once you get them out of the bottle and in your beard, pow! I mean, they really, really open up. Specifically, Bomb House Blend. Bomb House Blend, that apple cinnamon, it really opens up in beard, and it's wonderful. But this Shipwreck is really, really nice. This is one of my favorites. This reminds me of our Jamaican vacation. I love that. It's almost like having drinks out in the sun, cool breeze, beach water. I can just smell it and feel it all. So this is one that I'm going to be using quite regularly. Now, I want to say it's my favorite. It's between this and the Bomb House Blend, but this one is double shot. And this is coffee and vanilla. Just as simple as it is sounding. But the blend in this, I don't know if there's something else that is not on the label or in the ingredients, but it doesn't feel like it's as simple as coffee and vanilla. I'm getting a really, really good cappuccino. I was almost called it a flavor, because, again, this is one that I would want to eat out of my beard. Let me hit that real quick. To clear them up. Yeah, that's it's not a Starbucky type coffee, but it's cappuccino. And I used to, when it's really, really cold, I get cappuccinos from the little side stores, little convenience stores. This smells a lot like that, and I love that smell. So if you're looking for something that's got a cappuccino scent, this one's for you. This one I'd like to get in my hands. This is another one that opens right up. And all of these oils are of medium consistency. Or not medium, I'm sorry, light consistency. That's about 4 drops, and it's running pretty quick. Oh, that's such a good coffee. Such a good coffee. And I don't remember seeing how he gets that coffee in there. I'm sure it's somewhere on the website. I may have missed it. But that is just the right amount of coffee, right amount of vanilla, and it smells exactly like a cappuccino, and I have those regularly. So he's doing real good there. And I want to do this again. I want to wipe this on my skin just to kind of show you. Since I've already got, I think I have Shipwreck in beard right now. I'm not sure. I'd have to smell, but I've got so much on my hands. So I've got very, very minimal residue after just touching my skin. Really, really good thing not to have a very greasy oil. I kind of understand a little bit of grease in bombs. We don't have any bombs here, but to not have grease in an oil, speaks volumes about the quality and the type of the processes that are being used in getting this stuff out. So I appreciate that. Guys, if you have not yet, please check out Ruddy Man. Try his butters. I've heard his butters are phenomenal. Try his bombs. I've not tried those bombs or the butters, but these oils and the scents are great. You're getting about 2 to 4 hours on oils only. I'm sure that the bombs are going to boost that up. So I hope I've given you guys some information, helped you make a decision towards a purchase. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe. I want you to be able to see what I've got coming out, and I want you to see what I've already done. So, in closing, y'all boys take care of your beards. Stop right there. Ruddy Man's slogan is man up. Take care of your beards. My closer is take care of your beards. Does he owe me or do I owe him? Somebody should be paying somebody some royalties. Anyhow, we be all right. We some old boys from the Cackalack. We will be all right. So anyhow, folks, y'all boys take care of your beards. Man up and take care of your beards. Have a great one.